in Benue, houses are burning and people's lives are at risk. The community needs urgent rescue from the bandits. It's a horrific situation.
Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're cooking crystal meth.
Fuck yeah, we are.
We Heisenberging it, motherfuckers. All right, Chad, it's brewing.
Did you add the pseudo?
Hell yeah, I did. I put a little extra for the buzz.
All right, boys, this is the finished product, and boy, oh boy, are we about to get lit.
Hell yeah, we are.
We straight chain smoking this for real.
Now we just need to package this shit and get it all ready.
I call first hit.
Hell nah, bro. I did most of the work.
How to make 10 million naira with just 5,000?
Yeah. I know that this boss. What the big food they find for Lagos?
Now jungle are from come, but this also na global.
You obviously have been seeing videos like this flying all over the internet and you've been wondering how it's been created. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to introduce to you a groundbreaking AI tool that is taking the internet by storm. Google Gemini Veo3. Whether it's creating stunning stories, African folk tech stories, motivational content, educational content, or even news report, this AI tool has got it all. And the best part, you can access it for free. Now, without wasting time, let me show you how you can get started with Google Gemini Veo3 and unlock all its amazing features without paying a dime for the first 1 month. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to Google Gemini website. You can either search for Gemini AI video generator powered by Veo3 on Google, or type it directly into your browser's address bar. Or better still, you can easily type in this link displayed below here to access this AI tool. Once you are on the platform, look for the subscription option. Click on it to proceed. In the subscription section, scroll down until you see Google AI Pro. With the description, get more access to new and powerful features to boost your productivities and creativities. Normally, this would cost €21.99, but right now, Google is offering it as a free trial for 1 month. To get started, click on the Get Started button to proceed. Then, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions and provide your payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged for the first 1 month. Once you've entered your details, you have immediate access to all the premium features for 1 month. Then you can start creating your desired stunning videos, just like the ones you've just seen in the intro of this video. But if you decide not to continue after the trial, make sure to cancel the subscription before the month ends to avoid any charges. Now, let's explore some prompts that can help you achieve amazing results. Just in case you don't know what I mean by the word prompt, it's essentially the command or instruction you give to the AI for the kind of video you want to create. You can type in your description here based on what you have in mind. If you are unsure about what to type, you can always ask ChatGPT for assistance with crafting the ideal prompt. Just explain to ChatGPT the kind of video you want to create. In any way you can express yourself. Don't worry, it's a very intelligent AI and can help you craft amazing prompts. So, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to type in some prompts here with the help of my ChatGPT and then paste it into Google Gemini Veo3 for the amazing results. Let's watch it. And there you have it. You have access to this trendy AI tool for free for 1 month. Now you can explore all those amazing features and create incredible content. And thereafter, if you wish to subscribe for the Pro for more video creations, you can simply do that. Why not take chances right now? Why not take this opportunity and start your video creations today and go viral like other content creators who are already making money, cashing out daily, creating funny videos like the ones you've just watched. Now, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Have any question or want to see more tutorials, drop comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Shalom.